Welcome to the second exciting episode of the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga podcast. Today, we're diving into the 10 signature events of International Day of Yoga 2025. This is not just a podcast, it's a shared journey of yoga. So grab your AirPods and let's embark on this adventure together. On 21st June 2025, the world will come together to commemorate the completion of 10 years of celebrating International Day of Yoga. In India alone, yoga events will be conducted at over 1 lakh locations, including even the remotest of corners of India. This gathering will be called Yoga Sangam. This mega event will include large-scale yoga demonstrations, group practices, and special sessions led by experienced yoga teachers and gurus. Ensure that you're not left out from this movement of wellness. Aspiring Yoga Sangam organizers are encouraged to submit their proposals at yoga.ayush.gov.in. By registering as a Yoga Sangam organizer and completing the event on June 21st, you can earn a certificate from the Ministry of Ayush. Now, let's take a deeper dive into our second signature event, Yoga Bandhan. It focuses on fostering international partnerships through exchange programs between India and partner countries. Yoga experts will collaborate with local institutions, conduct yoga sessions, and engage in dialogues with stakeholders. Yoga Bandhan also includes collaborative activities of yoga and cultural institutions of India with institutions abroad. This initiative will stand as a testament to the power of collaboration, friendship, and the pursuit of collective well-being. Now, let's explore an event that is rooted right in our neighborhoods, the third signature event, Yoga Park. This initiative aims to create a lasting legacy through dedicated yoga spaces in parks across rural panchayats and urban municipalities. These parks will become inclusive wellness zones open to everyone, every day. With informative boards on postures, breathing techniques, and self-guided practice, these parks will welcome children, seniors, and even those with health concerns. Through CSR initiatives, companies can partner with local authorities, resident welfare associations, and yoga networks to bring these parks to life. It's a chance to turn social responsibility into real, visible impact. Now, let's dive into one of the standout events of IDUI 2025, Yoga Samavesh. This initiative is all about inclusivity and making yoga accessible to everyone, especially those who need it the most. Special yoga protocols have been developed for specific groups, including those with diabetes, hypertension, asthma, and mental health issues. But that's not all. It also caters to different age groups and life stages, from children and adolescents to senior citizens and pregnant women. Yoga Samavesh truly embodies the spirit of inclusivity, ensuring that yoga's benefits reach every corner of society. Next up, we have Yoga Prabhav, the comprehensive impact assessment. Yoga Prabhav aims to evaluate the impact of a decade of yoga observance on public health and wellness. By documenting achievements, identifying challenges, and shaping a strategic roadmap, Yoga Prabhav will strengthen yoga's role in global health. It's a reflection of IDY's legacy and a vision for greater wellness in the years ahead. Now, it's time to turn our focus to a global stage. Let's talk about another signature event, Yoga Connect, which is a convergence of minds, traditions, institutions, and ideas. Yoga Connect steps in as a dynamic space where policymakers, yoga experts, thought leaders, and global influencers come together to deliberate, discuss, and dream about the future of yoga. Here's the exciting part, it's going hybrid. That means while around 1,000 distinguished guests and panelists will be present in person, the conversations will also be streamed live to a global audience. Let's pause, step outside, and reconnect with nature, because that's where Harit Yoga leads us. This initiative beautifully weaves together personal health and planetary well-being. Across the country, participants will engage in tree plantation drives, environmental cleanup campaigns, and outdoor yoga sessions in serene natural spaces. Harit Yoga encourages us not just to practice yoga but to live it. by using eco-friendly gear, reducing waste, opting for public transport, and supporting local green efforts. This is also a call to action. Yoga institutions, nature clubs, NGOs, and government bodies are all invited to lead this green movement. Now, we come to an event that speaks directly to the heartbeat of our future, our youth. Yoga Unplugged is a fresh, energizing movement designed to make yoga not just relevant, but irresistible to young people. Online, youth can engage in contests such as essays, photography, e-posters, quizzes, and social media challenges that spark conversations and celebrate real-life stories of transformation. Offline, campuses will come alive with workshops, competitions, street art, and even yoga integrated into sports. A standout feature is the Samarpan volunteer program, giving students the chance to lead, serve, and support yoga events, gaining recognition, experience, and becoming true ambassadors of well-being. To every college, school, educator, and student, this is your moment. Initiate a Yoga Unplugged event in your campus. Let yoga be your rhythm, your strength, and your voice. It's time to talk yoga in its most celebratory form, Yoga Mahakumbh. It's a week-long celebration starting on the 15th of June and culminating in a grand finale on the 21st of June, the International Day of Yoga. It will be held in selected cities. Picture thousands of people practicing yoga in harmony with the sunrise, followed by cultural performances and conversations on mindfulness, transforming yoga into a national celebration. Each of the 10 cities hosting Yoga Mahakumbh will partner with leading CPSCs, PSUs, and other public sector entities to bring these vibrant events to life. And here's an open call to all corporate entities to sponsor Yoga Mahakumbh and become a visible force for health, harmony, and holistic living. Coming to our last signature event that represents a bold step forward in integrating the ancient wisdom of yoga into modern healthcare systems, Samyog. Samyog is about creating a synergy between yoga and diverse medical disciplines, from conventional medicine to Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, naturopathy, and Sova Rigpa. It brings together experts across fields to explore how evidence-based yoga practices can complement and enhance healthcare, promoting a holistic approach to wellness and healing. Samyog positions yoga not just as a wellness activity, but as a serious, accessible healthcare intervention with global relevance. And here's your call to action. If you're part of a hospital, healthcare institution, or research body already exploring yoga's role in medicine, Samyog invites you to be an organizer. That's all for today's episode. We'll meet again with a new yoga-related topic. Until then, keep practicing yoga, stay healthy, and stay connected with us. Namaskar.